Shrimp fried rice. Ingredients: 300 grams raw rice, 4 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 cup fresh bean sprouts, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup shrimp, 1/4 cup chopped green onion, 2 eggs beaten, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon chopped green chili. Cooked rice almost 20 minutes and keep aside to be cool. Add 1/2 teaspoon black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon salt in shrimp and mix well. Preheat pan, pour in 1 tablespoon oil, fry eggs and make small pieces. Keep the fried egg aside. Preheat 1 tablespoon of oil, fry shrimp until cooked well and keep aside. Preheat 2 tablespoons of oil, add onions and stir well for 2 minutes. Add bean sprouts and stir for another 2 minutes. Add green chili and stir for another 2 minutes. Add green onion and stir for another 2 minutes. Add fried eggs and shrimp, and stir for 2 minutes. Add rice and stir well. Add sesame oil, soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and stir well. Cook for another 4 minutes. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Now your dish is ready to serve. Precaution: 1. Rice need to be cooked 90%. 2. All fry needs to be done at medium-low heat.